Hello, all the pet lovers out there. I'm here to do a little unboxing video of this Papifeed water fountain. I'm gonna do unboxing, a little review, and I'll show you how to do the cleaning. It's pretty simple. Here I got the box open. It came, looks beautiful. I got my water fountain clear. It looks so aesthetic. And here we got all the tools and filters that we need. Here's the user manual. Everything is well explained, step by step, all the instructions for how to assemble it and how to do cleaning. Plus, there is a QR code for more information if you need. So let's put this fountain together. First step, we need to put this filter into the water for 5 minutes to soak up. And notice I didn't submerge, and I'll explain later why. On the side of the pump, we insert this pre-treatment sponge. Here we attach the silicone tube. And the other side of this tube connects to the filter tray. And this is how it would look. And that's pretty much it to the assembly. And you would insert this into the tank, water tank, just like so. And you have a little indent here for the wire. And you want to make sure that is not tugging on the wire. Notice all my components are wet. I had to wash them before putting together. I want to make sure cat is drinking clean water when it's assembled. Back to our filter. Notice how it sunk. It absorbed all the water and no air is trapped in there. So you want to make sure you don't just submerge. You put this filter right in here. I gotta be honest, I don't see any instructions saying whether it has to be the gray part up or the black part up. So if you know better, let me know in the comments, because I feel kind of dumb at this point. But it's easy to flip it over if we need. The water tank has marks minimum and maximum water level. You want to make sure you stay within minimum and maximum, and always check, because if it runs low, the motor or pump will fail on you, so you don't want that to happen. And voila, our fountain is working. It has this cutest light and it's super quiet. I am surprised. Also, it comes with few extra filters and sponges and this cleaning a tool, and I will actually show you how to do cleaning here in a minute. My cat is getting to know this new fountain. He's very curious and thirsty fella. Now, how do we clean? We got the instructions in the user manual, but it's super easy. You take off a few parts from this pump, the second part right here, and then with the cleaning tool, the other side, you just pull up this little spinny part. Super easy to pull out, and this is your cleaning tool. Just kind of brush it off all around, and even in this where the silicone tube goes, pretty much try to clean and brush all the pieces and corners and any places. When you're done cleaning, rinse it and put it back together. There are just 3 components to put it together, and then of course the fourth, the little spongy. And it came with 2 sponges, so that's really nice, and when we need to replace it, we got extra. And that's all for the cleaning. You would connect the pump just like we did in the beginning of the video, and good to go. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give me thumbs up. If you have questions, more than welcome to ask anything in the comments. And if you want to purchase this filter, I'll drop down the link to Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe.